Good morning, students. Let's continue with our chapter number 8, that is divisibility. Last lecture we have seen, or we have first recall 2, 5 and 10's divisibility test, and we studied divisibility test of 3. I hope everyone understand that. Next is divisibility test of 4. Divisibility test of 4. Right? Now what is fourth divisibility test? Now see, take some examples. 992. Then next is 6448. Now in these two cases, observe the digits on place tenth and unit. Means this last two digits observe. Can this two digit divide by 4? Let's see. 92 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 1, 2, 12. 4 threes are 12. Right? So, this 92 can completely divide by 4. Right? In this case, 48. 48 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. This 48 also divided by 4. If these two digits or two last digits of any number can divisible by 4, then this number can divisible by 4. Okay, so what is fourth divisibility test? If the number formed by digits in tens and unit place of the number is divisible by 4, then the complete number is divisible by 4. Understand everyone properly? Now again on page number 44, one table is there. Complete the following table using fourth divisibility test. Same table like your three's divisibility test, you have to draw and write all answers in that. That is your homework part. Along with fourth divisibility test 5 times in notebook. Right? Now move to the next and the last divisibility test, that is 9th divisibility test. If you understand 3's divisibility test properly, you can understand 9th divisibility test also. Because in 9th divisibility test you have to add all the digits from the number, that is 004 is the number. So 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. Now 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 can divide by 9. So this 5400 can also divide by 9. Understand? Suppose 1, 3, 3, 8, 9 is the number. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9. Now see, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 9, 15 plus 9 is 24. Now see, this 24 cannot divide by 9. That's why this number is not divisible by 9. Understand? Both the type of problem I have shown you. So this second table, which is given on the same page number 44, complete the following table using 9th divisibility test. That is also your homework part. You solve this as per earlier tables. In tabular form only write it and do it like this way only. Also write your 9th divisibility test 5 times in your notebook. Now take practice set 22. Now in this, what is there? One tree is drawn. In that tree, on that tree, some numbers are written, right? And you have to find out whether that numbers are divisible by 3, 4 and 9. Now, if you wish to draw this tree, it's your wish. Those who are not interested in drawing, or those who are drawing is not that much good, they don't draw it. Only write numbers, and in front of that you can write 3 divisible by 3, 4 or 6. Otherwise, make it tabular form, like see, like our first question, like see 3, 4 and 9, right? Take first number, that is 111. Make column here of numbers, right? Write all numbers here, like your first number is 111, 111. In 3's divisibility test, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So it can be divided by 3. Can 11 divide by 4? No. So cross. Can this 3 divide by 9? No. So cross. Understand? Take one more number, 4, 5, 0. Now in 3's divisibility test, 4 plus 5, 9. So and 0 means 0, 9. 9 can divide by 3. So here tick. Now 50. 50 can divide by 4. See, do it in rough and find out the answer. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. It cannot divide, so here cross. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 can divide by 9, so here tick. Understand? In this way, you write all the number one by one. See how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, write this 16 number one by one. Make this type of column and put tick or cross accordingly. Understand? So, what is your today's homework? You understand? Complete the table on page number 44 for both divisibility test 4 and 9. Also write 4's divisibility test 5 times and 9's divisibility test 5 times in your notebook, along with practice set 22, like this way only. Okay, if you want to draw the tree above that, you can draw and decorate your book. Understand? I think divisibility test can understand by you properly. If you have any problem up to this, means from 2's divisibility test to this year's divisibility test, you can ask me in my personal number. So do your homework properly, and chapter number 6 and chapter number 7 I am going to take after this, means from next week Monday. Okay, and for that chapter number 6, everyone please bring small book of graph, right? You can get it from stationery, so that we can properly understand how to draw the graph. Okay, till then, take care of yours and bye bye.